One of the very nicest things about life is the way we must regularly stop whatever it is we are doing and devote our attention to eating. Well, have you ever come across a place where you can find almost everything, starting from some variety of barbecue dishes, then North Indian, Chinese, South Indian, and a little bit of Italian even. And at last, some exotic desserts also, and followed by some beautifully designed cakes at the initial stage. And guys, if you think that's it, well, that's not the end about this place, as there are some other popular attractions like bangle making, some puppet shows, and a beautiful ambience. So when you can find all these things at one place, we are finally in Nautanki Gali by Ohris. So let's explore. And that's the entrance towards Nautanki Gali, followed by some beautifully painted walls, which makes it really attractive for the visitors. Now, talking about the safety standards, this restaurant follows all the safety guidelines in order to make sure everything goes on in a smooth pace, especially by doing a temperature check on employees and even on the visitors. At the same time, even sanitizing the tables once it is used. And finally, we enter the restaurant. Once we have entered, we will feel like we have entered into a different world, as it gives a great ambience for the visitors to have a quality time with their friends and family members. Well, I would say a lot of visitors were amazed, especially the showcase part, as it contributes a lot towards giving a comfortable environment, especially those soda bottles, glass, and cycle tires, etc. At the same time, one can have food on the corner, as those locations are covered with some interesting themes, as you'd have seen those autos, so one can finally dine over there. And then we clicked some good photos. And these are some awards won by Ohris Nautanki Gali. And guys, soon the manager of this restaurant is going to share a message, which you people are going to see now, and even followed by the staff members. And here we go.
Myself Roy, and I am taking care of Ohris Nautanki Grill. Very recently we have opened this outlet, and I hope this is the top of the town in Hyderabad, because we have a lot of varieties which we are serving from multi cuisine. We have Mediterranean, we have North Indian, we have Oriental as well. As all of you are aware of, even I am from barbecue background. I have worked a lot of barbecue restaurants and all. But this is my challenge to everyone. Come to this outlet. Come to Ohris. You will figure out the difference between all the outlets with this Ohris Nautanki Gali. दिल से बता रहा हूँ, this is awesome, and you will feel the difference between the taste. And here is my team.
Hi sir, myself Pema Kaman, and I am from Darjeeling. Thank you.
Myself Jayashree, I am from Ohris. My name is Meenakshi, I am from Assam.
Myself is Boy, I am from Kolkata.
So I am Anirudh from Odisha. I am working for last 7 years for Odisha.
Myself is Manjoli, I am not in the executive. My name is Prashant, I am from Odisha.
My name is Subul sir from West Bengal.
Myself Imran Khan, I am from West Bengal.
My name is Santosh sir.
My name is Janto, West Bengal.
My name is Rahul S.K. from West Bengal.
My name is Subal, West Bengal.
My name is Indi Said from Kolkata.
My name is Salim from West Bengal.
So after listening to the beautiful message, we are finally on to the good part, which is food. So starting from the soup, and followed by some live counters, and you people are going to enjoy it very much. And this is the welcome drink they serve, which is pineapple cooler. So once we are done with the soup and the live counterpart, we finally arrive to the starters and the main course section, starting from the veg. One by one you are going to see all the food items. So enjoy it. And now it's time for the non-veg lovers. Do enjoy your section. And now coming to everyone's favorite, the dessert part. And finally, we are coming to the barbecue part. Well, of course, these are the items which are served at the beginning, and the other food items which you are going to see now, and how well they are placed on the plate, as you can see. And this is the Frankie. So that's the end of the food part, guys. But that's not the end. Well, still you people are going to see the puppet show, followed by the bangle making. And here we go. And that's the bangle making process, guys. And he's the same person who did the puppet show also. So that was a great day, guys. We had a beautiful experience at Nautanki Gali. I hope many of you people will come after watching this video. And if you have loved this video, do like, share my videos with your friends and family members, and do comment and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. In the meanwhile, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you very much.